Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a proper bucket along with coloring in three mediums: oil pastels, pencil colors, and watercolors. To know how to do it, stay tuned on my channel Drawing Room. I've already drawn the borders. I will now first draw the guidelines of my bucket. I need to measure how long will be my bucket. I will draw it somewhere from here till here. Then divide it into a rectangles. Remember, you cannot use a scale. My rectangle is ready. So now I will draw the guidelines. First, divide this rectangle into half. Now I will make space for the mouth of the bucket. And then divide that mouth into half. Suppose this is the mouth of this will be the place for the mouth of my bucket. I will divide it horizontally into half. This is the basic guideline that you have to follow. This will be for the mouth of the bucket, and this I have drawn for the base of the bucket. This has less height than half of the mouth of the bucket. We have drawn the guidelines. I will first show you what common mistakes do people make while drawing a bucket. Most of the times while drawing a bucket, kids draw it without any guideline and they draw it like this. When you see what the mistakes are, this is pointed. This should never be pointed. This is always curved. If you want to make it pointed, you can later on erase those points and make it curved like this. Again, if you divide this bucket into half, as you can notice, this side is more slant than the left hand side. The base is also not proper. The first half is fine. In the other half, the base of the bucket is going wrong. It should have been like this. This is one common mistake. Another mistake that students make is that they draw it nicely. This is much is fine. The mouth has come very nice and neat. Then they draw this double line. Now, what they do is they make straight lines and ruin the shape of the bucket. Like this. Again, this is not acceptable. This is not acceptable. Another mistake that students make is they draw like this or the mouth like this, then they draw another straight line, here also one straight line. This is not the way you draw a bucket. This should never be straight. Because the bucket is round, the curves will also be round. Here, all the curves will be round. Okay? So, now we will go back to how to draw a proper bucket. Also, we will make two of these. These both have to be of same height. Now our guideline is ready and we will start drawing. my bucket drawing is ready, and I have erased all the guidelines, the construction lines that I had made, and made a nice outline of my bucket. Also, now if you notice, amongst the mistakes and the final drawing, here what I had told, horizontal lines should not be straight. The horizontal lines are not straight, they are equally curved. The amount of curve you put here will be put here also. There will be same amount of curve up and down, both the places. Next, we had seen that this is pointed and the line is coming directly from this point. We have rectified that also. This is not pointed, this is rounded, and there is a double line. This bucket line is coming from inside. It's not touching this line here. It's coming from inside. Then only it will give a bucket look. Okay. Also, when you draw the handle, as it goes back, it will get thinner. Here it is fatter. It will go thinner while it is going back. When you draw this hole under the bucket, first draw the whole line. Then draw this semicircle. Then erase the baseline. This will give you proper drawing and shape. This is the drawing. Let's color it now. I'm showing it as if the light is falling from this direction. This is the direction of the light. So my shades will be darker over here and lighter over here. The light is falling from this side. That is why there will be lighter shade over here and darker shade over here. Whereas inside the mouth, it will be opposite. The light is falling directly from here. That is why here it will be lighter and here it will be darker. Understand? Dark, light, light, dark.